Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to add links in a web page. What do I mean by that is, let's say you have a bunch of titles, like let's say you have a long essay or something, like a long paragraph or a long article or something like that with a lot of titles. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make it simple for the reader. Let's say the reader only want to read a particular part of the article, so he doesn't have to scroll through all the way and find that particular thing. That's going to be difficult. So in order to make this one easier, we can set up some links that can actually help the user to read the necessary information only. And if you just want to read about the test the battery, he can just go to the test the battery quickly without scrolling through and finding out. This is like small article I just copy from Google, but it's gonna help you. This method is gonna help you if you have long articles and stuff. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, to create the link, make sure you go to the title, one of the title you want to link to, and then you type here like this, A. Okay, I'm going to just put it to this one, cut and put it here. I'm going to create a link for water damage. Now what we have to do is, first forget about this one, name is equal to water, or comes after this. Cut this one, A, and close the A first. Okay, start A and then close the A. Then inside of this one you have to put the name is equal to water. Like you can put any name you want for this one. It doesn't necessarily, like, you can put any shortcut, because this part is not going to appear when you're running the page. In the page it's not going to show. So this part you can name whatever you want. Now the next thing what we have to do is we have to go to the top, like wherever you want to create the link for the customer to click. You just type A again, the same way, A again, and then close the A right here. Close the A right here, and then inside of this one we are gonna name this one as water damage section. Water damage section. Now let's save this one and run. Let's see what we are getting. Now you can see we are getting the water damage section on top, but the thing is it's not a link yet. In order to get it as a link, what we have to do is we have to just do one more step, that is inside of this H reference. Like if you watch my previous video, we does it for website. If you want to link Google or any website you want to go to, we can just link just by typing href equal and certain.com, like that. We are going to do the same thing for this one. Href is equal to, and then within the quote mark, don't forget to put this pound sign. After this pound sign you have to type the name you created in the bottom. Let's say you put something else right here. Let's say you just put inspect. You had to write the same name here as well, inspect. So whatever the name you created after the name is equal to, it's going to be the same name we are going to have here, href. And then don't forget to put the pound sign. If you don't put the pound sign, it's not going to work, right? Okay, now let's go and see how it is going to be. I refresh this one. Okay, I had to save here first. Save here, refresh this one, and we are getting the link right here. And when I click the link, it's going to the water damage, right? It's not very obvious here because it all look like just a one page, so it's not very obvious. Like it just shows that it's going like this. But if you have a very big articles and stuff, it's gonna be very helpful. That's the thing. Now let's do one more of this. I just copy paste same thing. Or let's do it for battery. I'm gonna create a again, a, and the name is equal to, let's close the a first. A, and then I'm gonna close the a. Oh, I just continuously type back because I see name is equal to, you can give whatever the name you want. Okay, name is equal to, I'm just gonna put battery, and then close this one here, and after that we close the a, and after that we put backslash a, and then close this one. Now this is around test the battery. H3, the header 3 is basically about the test the battery. So when we go and do the same thing for this one, it's going to go to test the battery. Now I'm going to copy and paste it in the bottom. Okay, now we have the same thing, but we have to change few things here. This one has to be battery. Okay, and then close this one here, and after that battery section, or let's see, what is that, test the battery section. Okay, now I'm going to close this one, backslash a, close here, and I'm gonna just save this one, and then when I refresh this one, you see we have test the battery section and word damage section. So if I click test the battery section, it's going to go to the test the battery. Like that we can create this kind of links in a same article, to go in the same article, to make it easy for the readers. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.